Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So I just want to give a quick announcement that all my plugins are WordPress 5.7 compatible. So I just tested them and updated some that needed some updates to make them work with the new WordPress version, and now all my plugins are compatible with WordPress 5.7, and I also updated their description. So now they are all WordPress 5.7 tested and compatible. So go ahead and check and even update WordPress, because the plugins I created will all work as they worked before. So I will also make another video in the upcoming days about the features that WordPress 5.7 will bring and already brought us. So keep an eye on this channel for new videos. So thank you for watching. This is just an update that you can go ahead and update to WordPress 5.7. Things will work without issues. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.